All right, now I'm bringing in my cream cheese, and we're adding half a block of cream cheese to our frozen corn, half a block to our frozen spinach, half a block next to our Velveeta, and then half a block with our refried beans. Next, I'm bringing in my sour cream, and we're gonna add a scoop of sour cream into each of our pans right next to our cream cheese. This is such a great way to do game day. You get everyone's preferences all in one sheet pan. We just have these little mini containers that are gonna be perfect for baking. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more to some of these just so that they are creamy. All right, now with our corn, I have my Colby Jack cheese, and we're gonna sprinkle that right into our pan, right on top of that cream cheese and that sour cream. And we're gonna use half a bag of each of our cheeses. For our spinach, I have some white cheddar, so we're gonna make sure to get half a bag right in there. Honey wants some cheese, but maybe she'll get some a little later. Okay. Ooh, and you could even do a mozzarella here. You could do whatever cheese you want for each of these. That looks perfect. Now for our Velveeta, I have some sharp cheddar, and we're just gonna put half of that right in there. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Lastly, for our beans, we're gonna add some Mexican cheese.
Ooh, so much cheese.
Yeah, perfect. Doesn't that look amazing?
Oh, I'm so excited.
With our corn, I'm gonna add a small can of green chilies. All right, in there. Delicious. With our spinach, I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I have a little bit left here, which should be perfect for this recipe. Oh, okay. You can use fresh garlic if you prefer, but I just wanted to use the rest of this because I had it in my fridge.
I think you can throw that away now.
Yeah. With our Velveeta, I want to make this one a little spicy. I'm going to add a can of jalapenos. Ooh, right in there. Small can, of course. Beautiful. Now with our beans, I'm going to do half a can of our original Rotel. And we're going to add some of that liquid in there too. Kind of just spread it out so it's not just all in one spot. That seems good. I am gonna add some bacon to our corn dip, just right here, just some bacon bits. Perfect, I feel like bacon and corn go beautifully together. Then for my Velveeta dip, I have some pulled chicken. And then I'm gonna keep the other two vegetarian so that all my guests have something to enjoy. Oh my goodness, let's get some. And all those little empty spots because we are almost done here.
Tons of chicken.
Perfect. All right, now for our front two, I'm adding some garlic and onion powder. You can season this however you like. For our back two, I'm doing some taco seasoning.
Yum.
All right, and that is it, you guys. These are ready to go in the oven. My oven is set to 350, and these are gonna be in there for about 45 minutes. Ooh. Oh my goodness. These smell absolutely incredible. And if you haven't figured it out yet, we have our 4 dips ready for game day. We're gonna bring out our spatulas and we're gonna get to mixing our dips. Oh my gosh, this is a delicious corn dip. So let's go ahead and get these nice and blended. All right, look how good our dips look. We have our corn dip, spinach dip, queso dip, and bean dip. It is time to dip. All right, our game day dips are ready. I have the ultimate game day watcher here.
That's me.
And we got some Tostitos and some Fritos.
Fritos.
And we're gonna give these a try.
Which one are you gonna try?
I'm gonna go for the corn dip.
I think I'm gonna go for the spinach.
All right. These look so good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ow! Hot, but oh my.